Chapter 11, Advertising Messages and Marketing Communications. After you study this chapter, you should be able to answer these questions in detail. How can advertising meet marketing goals? What kinds of ad appeal are there? How is advertising evaluated? Advertising, communication. Advertising is, one of the features of it is communication. What are you communicating? Well, you inform customers of the product. You persuade customers to purchase the product because of the benefits it provides. Remember, the product contains features. Features tell you about the product. Benefits are what sells the product because that's why people would buy it. People don't buy a vehicle because it has airbags. People buy vehicles that have airbags because if they're in an accident, they're more likely to live or suffer less dangerous injuries. So therefore, the benefit of the airbags is that you won't get hurt as badly or you'll survive the accident. Not the fact that the car has airbags. Airbags are the feature. The benefit is that you remain alive. Okay? And then express the brand's positioning. That's the type of the ad that it is, the quality of the ad, and so on and so forth. It expresses the brand positioning. The goals, there's 3 goals. Cognition increases awareness. Affect enhances attitudes and positive associations with the brand, with the product. And behavior, encourages buying the product and the brand. Then we have this acronym ADA. A is for attention. Do customers know about the product, the brand, or the company? This is especially true if it's a new company, a new brand, or a new product. Sometimes companies will buy another brand for the specific reason that people know about it. Today, AutoZone announced that it's buying the Die-Hard battery brand for $200 million. Why are they doing this? Because when people see 2 batteries, one says AutoZone or another brand that you haven't heard of, and one says Die-Hard, which has been around for decades and people know it, people more than likely will buy the Die-Hard over the no-name or the unknown name battery. So AutoZone's willing to pay $200 million for the brand and the other parts of the company that's left. The I is interest. Would customers consider buying the product? D is desire. Do customers want the product and search for it? Now, this is Christmas time when I'm recording this, so it depends on whether people know about the product and where to find it. If they don't know where to find it, then they would search for it if it's something that they really want to get for a specific person. There's even a commercial, a McDonald's commercial out right now about a couple searching for this special toy, car toy, for, I assume, a child. And they go store to store to store trying to find it, and they're all sold out and they're exhausted. So then they go to McDonald's to get energized again with some food. And then they see someone walking out of McDonald's with the toy that they're looking for. So they're like, well, time to get back at it and see if we can find it. And so that's the whole point of the desire. Do you have the desire to purchase this product? And are they searching for it? And then action. A is for action. Do customers buy the product? Do customers talk about the product? Do customers promote the product on social media? Advertising design. Okay. So you have cognitive ads. These ads are practical, functional, logical. So it just tells you the facts about the product, what the point of the product is, and what benefits it has. Very logical, very clear, very clean, and there's no doubt about what they're trying to do. Okay? Then you have emotional ads. Most emotional ads are actually humorous. Fear and embarrassment and subliminal. Okay? So we see lots of humorous ads on television, and they make you feel good. And the subliminal message is that if you buy the product, you're going to feel good because that's what the ad made you feel. You laugh during the ad, so you like the ad, so you like the product, and it'll make you feel good. Image, emotional appeal, and feelings. So if you look at a specific product, it has a certain emotion attached to it. Whether it is heartfelt emotion, have a Coke and a smile, or whether it's prestige emotion, whether it's trying to escape and become unique in yourself, whatever the emotion that they're trying to convey, if it has an appeal to you, then it'll stick with you, and you're like, well, if I get that product, then this emotion will be satisfied. Lastly is endorsements. Famous people and influencers. This is why Nike gives every basketball player shoes. This is why they created Air Jordan. People buy because famous people wear the shoe or help design the shoe or promote the shoe. Or they see influencers on YouTube, and because the people on YouTube or Instagram are promoting the product and they like those people, then they'll go out and buy the product because those people told them that it's a good product to buy and they should buy it. And so that's what some people do that are influenced by special endorsements. And that is an overview lecture of Chapter 11. Advertisements, messages, and marketing communication.